The Philippine National Police, or PNP, has confirmed a friendly fire incident during a rescue operation on August 3 in Angeles, Pampanga, which was targeting two Chinese nationals kidnapped by a criminal group. Police Staff Sergeant Nelson Santiago was killed, and Police Master Sergeant Eden Akad was injured after being struck by a bullet. A patrolman responsible for the shooting is in custody and faces charges of reckless imprudence resulting in homicide and serious physical injury. The PNP plans to reevaluate their operations to prevent future incidents and has denied any cover-up, with charges filed and an internal investigation underway.
Immediately po, after the incident po, yung mismong nakabaril po, aksidenteng nakabaril, ay siya rin pong mismo ang nagdala sa hospital. Right there and there, he came forward at inamin po niya mismo na siya po yung nakatama po ng baril. Lumalabas nga po, doon sa na-recover po na slag sa katawan po ni Sergeant Santiago ay nag-match po yon doon sa baril po ng police na aksidente po niyang na-squish yung trigger na nakatama po doon sa dalawang police.